The customer we're showcasing today is an electric company that operates a fleet of bucket trucks. They discovered the hydraulic oil was getting quite milky, and they were concerned about the operation of the bucket truck for their personnel. So they brought it to us to clean the oil and get it back out in service. Hopefully find out where the water came from in the first place and return the oil to a usable condition. So what we used in this case was the HDU 2727 offline filter, and we have it connected right into the hydraulic tank. So both the hoses are into the tank. One is drawing the oil out and the other is returning the oil back in. So the process we used was starting on the tank, cleaning the oil to where we could see that it was visually polished, and then we would move one particular function, extend and retract, and then give it time to clean up, and then extend and retract and give it time to clean up. That way we're really focusing on each component, each cylinder on its own, rather than mixing everything all together. We found that it's just a little quicker to focus on individual functions before moving on to the next one. So this was the oil that we started with. You can see how milky it looks, and in about 8 hours of filtration, this is how the oil is shaped up now. And that's after cycling all the various functions. So we can be sure that this oil is consistent throughout the system. It's inevitable that the oil in your operating equipment is going to get contaminated over time. So having a plan of what to do when you get that contamination is paramount to make sure it's going to be operating consistently and reliably. We've got equipment on hand that we can rent out as well, and we'd be happy to help you sort out your contamination problems.